These instructions will assist you in connecting your VAIL Cast to your home's Wi-Fi network using your iPhone. First, click on Settings. Next, select Wi-Fi. As the screen populates, you can scroll down and you'll see Set up new AirPlay speaker. Under that will be the name of your VAIL Cast. It's VAIL Cast followed by a unique set of numbers and letters. Select that. Next, you'll select the network you want to connect your VAIL Cast to. By default, it will show the Wi-Fi network that your iPhone's connected to. At this point, you can also change the speaker name of the VAIL Cast. In this case, we're just going to click Next in the upper right-hand corner. Now, your phone is assisting the VAIL Cast in connecting to your home's Wi-Fi network. Wait and be patient. We're now done. Select Done. Your VAIL Cast is now connected to your home's Wi-Fi network.